What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every evening, have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. Fi take a girl man, you have it in a condition and boss one. Take a sip and lose your inhibition.